going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I had a couple of questions about doing this this swap, this EFI to carb swap. Basically, all you have to do, you're gonna have to buy a distributor, you're gonna have to buy an intake manifold and a carburetor. You need your fuel pump, MSD box. So what I did is I sourced out parts. You know, got the best prices that I could because I wasn't gonna pay top dollar for everything. I don't need to do that. All in all, I'd say I'd probably paid a little over $1,000, probably a little bit more. Later, you're gonna need a fuel regulator because your EFI fuel regulator won't work. You're gonna need all your lines. I have -10 lines along with a -6 return line, Aeromotive fuel pump, and all these fuel filters, they're those the Evil Energy fuel filters. So they were pretty cheap. Wasn't bad. The gas tank, I got the gas tank all finished up. I bought the sump. The sump was $40. I had it welded, and I flex sealed the weld just in case. You can run an internal fuel pump if you'd like. You know, they have several options out there that you can do. I just wanted to do something like that. I'd say it pulls a little bit harder than it did when it was EFI. And also, I bought a throttle bracket off of Amazon. That was probably about $20. It's a Ryan Star. And I bought a 1983 Ford Mustang throttle cable. I bought the Aeromotive fuel pump off a local guy that I know. He's got a ton of Mustang stuff, but we'll get to that at another point. So I did take the car out today. I'm like, you know, it's 45 degrees out. Let's go make a hit or something. I backed the car out and I started messing around with it a little bit because it's got a little stumble, you know, when you first accelerate. So I was like, all right, let me go test it out. Let's go put it on the draggy. So jump in the car, we start heading down to my spot, and I get to the spot, turn on my draggy. I'm like, all right, let's see what this thing can do. I take off first, second, and probably just before third, I see oil spewing everywhere. I'm like, oh no, please. So I pulled over, I popped the hood, I shut the car off, turned the pumps off, everything off. Whole engine bay, pretty much the whole engine bay is full of oil. Covered my MSD box, my wires, everything. It ended up being my oil pressure line. So in a sense, it's kind of good that it was just the oil pressure line. It was nothing else. It does suck because quite a bit of oil came out of there, but I did shut the car down. Now I got to get this fixed. Clean this mess up. But other than that, the car took off really good. And I think that this car makes more power than it did on EFI. So I'm glad that I went with the carb setup. Yeah, I figured I'd give you guys a quick, update, rundown, whatever of what's going on. Listen, guys, like, subscribe, share, and I'll get back to you guys with more videos to come. Thanks for watching.